So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what little design detail do I want to put here. And the reason, if anyone's wondering why I'm like focusing so hard on like this little area here, it's because it's gonna be like, aside from, I feel like, let's talk about like composition, I guess. So there's kind of, I'm trying to have a 1, 2, 3 read, I guess, which the first read, if we make this black and white and we make it small, you can see that it's here because of the high contrast, right? So the high contrast by the face and the horns, which we've pretty much already gotten done, that's already pretty resolved. Belt with a buckle, the Digimon solution. Fair. Buckles can be festive. It can be like a holiday buckle. But, you know what? You're joking, but belts sometimes are a good solution. At least for like the strappy parts. But yeah, so the reason I'm focusing on this area is because it's basically the area with like this number 2 area with contrast. So what I'm kind of hoping to do with this illustration is have your eye start here, like where his face is, and then kind of follow the perspective in his hand all the way down to his hand here. Or if you look at the hand first, you know, you'll have enough information here to kind of stay and then kind of start working your way around the body. So composition wise, that's what I'm hoping to do, which is why I'm noodling so much with like this hand and this arm, because like the chains and stuff, like the rest is pretty much resolved, but this hand in the front is pretty important, so I want to make sure there's at least like some interesting thing going on there that'll catch your attention a little bit. So we got the fur nailed down pretty well. Now we just have to do whatever this is going to be. So we're gonna paint and design a little bit, I guess.